Hello and welcome to this video on polymer chemistry, plastics and polymers. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of polymers and plastics and how they have revolutionized our lives. Polymers are large molecules made up of repeating units called monomers. These monomers can be natural or synthetic, and they can be combined in various ways to create different types of polymers. Plastics, on the other hand, are a type of polymer that can be molded into different shapes and forms. They are lightweight, durable, and have a wide range of applications in various industries. In this video, we will discuss the chemistry behind polymers and plastics, their properties, and how they are made. We will also explore the environmental impact of plastics and the efforts being made to reduce their use. So, let's dive into the world of polymer chemistry and learn more about these amazing materials. There are two main types of polymers, natural and synthetic. Natural polymers are found in nature and are derived from living organisms. Examples of natural polymers include proteins, DNA, and cellulose. Synthetic polymers, on the other hand, are man-made and are created through chemical reactions. Examples of synthetic polymers include polyethylene, polypropylene, and polystyrene. Synthetic polymers can be further classified into two categories, thermoplastics and thermosets. Thermoplastics are polymers that can be melted and reshaped multiple times without losing their properties. Examples of thermoplastics include polyethylene, polypropylene, and PVC. Thermosets, on the other hand, are polymers that cannot be melted and reshaped once they have been formed. Examples of thermosets include epoxy resins and phenolic resins. Polymers can also be classified based on their molecular structure. Linear polymers have a straight chain structure, while branched polymers have side chains branching off the main chain. Cross-linked polymers have a network structure where the chains are linked together. Understanding the different types of polymers is important in determining their properties and applications. In the next segment, we will discuss the properties of polymers in more detail. Polymers have unique properties that make them useful in a wide range of applications. Some of the key properties of polymers include 1. Strength and durability. Polymers are strong and durable, making them ideal for use in products that need to withstand wear and tear. 2. Flexibility. Polymers can be flexible and bendable, making them useful in products that need to be molded into different shapes. 3. Transparency. Some polymers, such as polycarbonate, are transparent and can be used in products such as eyeglasses and windows. 4. Insulation. Polymers are good insulators of heat and electricity, making them useful in products such as electrical wiring and insulation. 5. Water resistance. Many polymers are water resistant, making them useful in products such as raincoats and waterproof coatings. 6. Chemical resistance. Polymers can be resistant to chemicals, making them useful in products that need to withstand exposure to harsh chemicals. The properties of polymers can be tailored to specific applications by adjusting the molecular structure and composition of the polymer. For example, adding different monomers to a polymer can change its properties, such as its strength or flexibility. In the next segment, we will discuss how polymers are made and the different methods used in polymer synthesis. Polymers can be synthesized using different methods, depending on the type of polymer and its intended application. Some of the common methods used in polymer synthesis include 1. Addition polymerization. This method involves adding monomers together to form a polymer chain. This process is initiated by a catalyst and can be carried out in the presence or absence of a solvent. 2. Condensation polymerization. This method involves the formation of a polymer chain through the elimination of a small molecule, such as water. This process is also initiated by a catalyst and can be carried out in the presence or absence of a solvent. 3. Emulsion polymerization. This method involves the formation of a polymer in an emulsion, where the monomers are dispersed in water and stabilized by a surfactant. This process is commonly used to produce latex paints and synthetic rubber. 4. Ring opening polymerization. This method involves the opening of a cyclic monomer to form a linear polymer chain. This process is commonly used to produce polyesters and polycarbonates. 5. Living polymerization. This method involves the controlled growth of a polymer chain, allowing for precise control over the molecular weight and structure of the polymer. This process is commonly used to produce polymers for biomedical applications. Once the polymer has been synthesized, it can be processed into different forms, such as pellets, sheets, or fibers. These forms can then be used to create a wide range of products, from plastic bags to car parts. In the final segment, we will discuss the environmental impact of plastics and the efforts being made to reduce their use. While plastics have revolutionized our lives, they also have a significant impact on the environment. Plastics are not biodegradable and can take hundreds of years to decompose, leading to pollution of our oceans and landfills. To reduce the environmental impact of plastics, efforts are being made to reduce their use and increase recycling. Some of the strategies being employed include 1. Plastic bag bans. Many cities and countries have implemented bans on single-use plastic bags, encouraging the use of reusable bags instead. 2. Recycling programs. Recycling programs have been implemented in many communities, allowing for the collection and processing of plastic waste. 3. Biodegradable plastics. Biodegradable plastics are being developed that can break down more quickly in the environment. 4. Alternative materials. Alternative materials, such as paper and bioplastics, are being used in place of traditional plastics. 5. Education and awareness. Education and awareness campaigns are being launched to encourage individuals and businesses to reduce their use of plastics and adopt more sustainable practices. By reducing our use of plastics and increasing recycling, we can help to reduce the environmental impact of these materials and create a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching this video on polymer chemistry, plastics and polymers. We hope you have gained a better understanding of the chemistry behind these materials and their impact on our world.